Merci Suárez Changes Gears. Merci Suárez is a clever sixth grader who is trying to make sense of the world. She lives with her family in Florida, U.S. Merci is extremely proud of her family and Cuban heritage. Her life takes a sudden turn when she is awarded a scholarship to a top private school. At first, Merci has a hard time fitting in with her classmates. Unlike them, she isn't from a wealthy family. Some girls at school start bullying her. To make matters worse, her responsibilities at home start piling up. She has to take care of her cousins and her grandfather, who has Alzheimer's disease. Merci also has goals of her own, but she finds herself facing some problems. Merci is a talented soccer player who wants to try out for the school team. However, she needs to convince her mother to sign the permission form. Merci is also saving up for a new bike, but it is quite expensive. She feels guilty about buying one because her family isn't wealthy. All of these things put a lot of pressure on Merci, but she is determined to find a road to success.